I just found secret leaked files about GPT-5 that will shock you. Nobody's talking about this, but the evidence is everywhere. These are insider leaks showing GPT-5 could launch any moment. I'm talking about actual code screenshots and live API tests. This is breaking news, and you're seeing it first. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. So here's what just happened. I discovered leaked evidence that OpenAI is secretly testing GPT-5 right now. And I'm not talking about rumors or speculation. I'm talking about actual proof that just surfaced online. Someone just leaked screenshots showing two different GPT-5 models in OpenAI's actual source code. We're looking at GPT-5 Auto and GPT-5 Reasoning. These aren't concept names, these are real models being tested internally. But wait, it gets crazier. Look at this leaked ChatGPT interface screenshot. You can actually see GPT-5 listed in the model's drop-down menu. It shows GPT-5 multimodal, but says it's just text in, text out for now, with key updates coming in the next few weeks. If this leak is authentic, GPT-5 isn't months away. It's already in the system waiting to be activated. Now here's where this gets really interesting. Another leak shows someone testing GPT-5 through OpenAI's API. They said this is on my API requesting O4 Mini, but they're testing with GPT-5 Nano and GPT-5 Mini. This means developers are already getting access to GPT-5 variants through the backend. The infrastructure is ready, the models are live, they're just not publicly announced yet. But here's breaking news that just happened. Someone just posted the most explosive leak yet. They said, I tried GPT-5 through the OpenAI API for free, but it's now removed. It passed the hexagon vibe test. API name was GPT-5 Bench Chat Completions EPT4 II API SV3. Look at this screenshot they shared. You can see the actual API call to GPT-5. The model name is right there in the code. This isn't speculation. This is someone who actually used GPT-5 through OpenAI's API. They said now that it's removed, I can share it. This means OpenAI was secretly testing GPT-5 with select users and then quickly removed access when people started noticing. But here's what makes this leak even more incredible. The person who tested GPT-5 shared more details about what happened. They said something I would love to add. When I asked it about the rocket animation, it thought for 10 minutes straight. Thinking tokens wasn't visible in the terminal, it definitely thinks internally. But it replies instantly to simple questions like, hi, hello. Someone asked, can you give me API with this? And the leaker replied it was removed literally after I tested it. This shows GPT-5 has that advanced reasoning we've been hearing about. For complex questions, it thinks for minutes like a human expert would. For simple questions, it responds instantly. And OpenAI is so secretive about this that they removed API access immediately after testing. And here's even more breaking evidence. Someone else just posted on X screenshots showing GPT-5 appearing in OpenAI's Model Finder app. The screenshot shows GPT-5 new proxy API EV3 listed as a new OpenAI model on August 1st, 2025. But here's the crazy part. They said GPT-5 very soon, I guess, and then posted a follow-up showing they were testing it on their account. But it lasted for like 10 seconds. The model showed a 500 server error and then completely disappeared. These models were removed just now. This is happening in real time. People are catching GPT-5 appearing in systems for seconds before OpenAI removes it. This proves GPT-5 is ready, and they're doing final testing before the official launch. And there's more. Bleeping Computer reports that OpenAI isn't just working on GPT-5. Two new open source weights, GPT OSS 20B and GPT OSS 120B, have been spotted on Hugging Face ahead of a public release. This shows OpenAI is preparing multiple releases simultaneously. But here's breaking news that just dropped. A new report from Yahoo Tech confirms these leaks are real. Plus, we now have the biggest leak yet. Someone actually used GPT-5 through OpenAI's API and shared screenshots proving it. An AI investor just posted on X claiming OpenAI will launch GPT-5 next week. According to information from an anonymous source that provided reasonable proof, GPT-5 will support context windows of up to 1 million tokens for input and up to 100,000 tokens for output. This is massive. A million token context window means GPT-5 can process and remember enormous amounts of information. We're talking entire books, massive datasets, complex conversations, all at once. The report also reveals the secret code names OpenAI is using for GPT-5 models. O3 Alpha, Nectarine, which is GPT-5, Lobster, which is Mini, and Starfish, which is Nano. So we're getting multiple versions with different capabilities. And get this, at least 6 anonymous models called Zenith, Summit, Lobster, Nectarine, Starfish, and O3 Alpha have been spotted on El Marina that are supposedly outperforming nearly every other known model. These could be the GPT-5 variants being tested right now. The report also mentions screenshots supposedly coming from someone at Cursor who has been testing GPT-5 Alpha. The images show an interaction with an AI model where the model name reads GPT-5-Alpha. This confirms what we suspected. GPT-5 Alpha is real, and select people are already testing it. But here's the game-changing feature that ZDNet just revealed. The one feature that could make GPT-5 a true game-changer is automatic model selection. Right now, OpenAI models sound like an alphabet soup with similar-sounding models like GPT-4.0 and 0.4, which are each best suited to different tasks. This makes it difficult to keep track of which model to use for what query. Nick Turley, head of ChatGPT, told ZDNet that our goal is that the average person does not need to think about which model to use. Instead, the aim is for GPT-5 to automatically choose the best model for the user's task. For example, if a question is simple enough that the GPT model can answer it well, then GPT-5 will choose that as it would be cheaper and quicker. ZDNet also reveals that GPT-5 will combine all of the latest ChatGPT features, including voice, canvas, search, deep research, and more, according to Altman's X post. This would enable users to make better use of all that ChatGPT has to offer. Turley explained it actually turns out to be quite nuanced in terms of how people's preferences fall, where you'd maybe be willing to wait for a longer period of time to get a good answer, but only if it was a lot better, which is why we've taken our time to get it right. The good news is, despite the challenges, it looks like you won't have to wait a lot longer. A report from The Verge, citing insider sources, said GPT-5 could be out in early August. The leaked analysis talks about a larger context window, potentially exceeding GPT-4o's 128,000 tokens, with some speculation of up to 1 million tokens. That means GPT-5 could remember massive amounts of information. But here's the most important leaked detail. The analysis says GPT-5 is expected to be available across different tiers, with free ChatGPT users getting standard access, while Plus and Pro subscribers will access higher intelligence levels. This means when GPT-5 launches, everyone gets access, even free users. But the full power requires payment. Now let me tell you why these leaks matter for making money. The API leak proves developers can already test GPT-5. This means the technology is ready for business applications. While everyone else is still learning ChatGPT, you could be preparing for GPT-5. The leaked capabilities suggest it can handle complex business processes automatically. Imagine customer service that remembers every interaction and reasons through complex problems, or content creation that researches, writes, and optimizes everything automatically. That's why I'm building my AI Success Lab community. We have over 14,000 members who are preparing for these AI breakthroughs. We have 100 different tutorials, templates, and processes for building AI businesses. Check the link in the comments to join us. Now here's what the leaked timeline looks like according to multiple sources. The Yahoo report says ChatGPT's big GPT-5 upgrade would launch in August, but the AI investor claims it could be next week based on insider information. Sam Altman was recently on tour in Washington, D.C., and further teased what he'd seen while testing GPT-5, suggesting an even more powerful AI is about to be available to users. This is Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, saying GPT-5 made him feel useless. That's how powerful this thing is. But here's what's really shocking. A new Times of India report reveals Sam Altman's biggest fear about GPT-5. Speaking on Theo Von's This Past Weekend podcast, Altman confessed that testing GPT-5 left him with a profound sense of unease. It feels very fast, he said, referring not just to the model's impressive processing power, but to the alarming speed at which AI is advancing overall. His remarks echoed the reflective anxiety of scientists involved in the Manhattan Project who, after creating the atomic bomb, grappled with the unintended consequences of their innovation. Altman invoked a similar moment of reckoning, asking rhetorically, "What have we done?" The comparison underscores his concern that GPT-5, like nuclear technology before it, may mark a pivotal turning point where humanity's ability to build something outpaces its readiness to understand or control the fallout. He emphasized that while technical achievements are accelerating, the moral, social, and legal frameworks to contain them are not keeping pace. He explicitly stated that testing GPT-5 left him very nervous, and that its development feels reminiscent of a science fiction thriller. This is the CEO of OpenAI admitting he's scared of his own creation, and it's launching in August. But the leaked evidence suggests it could happen much sooner. We're seeing code files, API tests, and interface screenshots. This usually means launch is imminent. The analysis also mentions potential delays due to training complexities, safety testing, and server capacity issues that could push this to December 2025 or Q2 2026. But here's my take. The leaked evidence is too strong to ignore. Multiple independent sources showing the same thing. GPT-5 is ready and could drop any day, and even Sam Altman is scared of what they've created. The Times of India report mentions that GPT-5 is expected to feature major upgrades over GPT-4, including improved multi-step reasoning, longer memory, and more advanced multimodal capabilities. It is also expected to reduce model switching delays, offering more seamless user interactions. But with power comes risk. Altman has openly said that GPT-4 kinda sucks compared to what's coming next. The article also reveals that Altman has long discussed AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, as OpenAI's North Star. But GPT-5 may be the company's closest step yet to that goal. If GPT-5 gets us significantly closer to AGI-level capabilities, the lack of global consensus on how to manage such a leap could become a major problem. Think about what this means. Most businesses don't even know these leaks exist. While they're still figuring out basic AI, you could be preparing for the next generation. You could start an AI automation business, help companies set up advanced AI systems before their competitors even know what's possible. You could create AI-powered products using capabilities that don't officially exist yet. By the time GPT-5 launches publicly, you'll already be the expert. You could offer consulting on next-generation AI. Businesses will pay premium rates for expertise on cutting-edge technology. But here's the key. You need to act on this leaked information before it becomes public knowledge. Once OpenAI officially announces GPT-5, everyone will be scrambling to catch up. Right now, you have insider knowledge. Use it. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about these GPT-5 leaks. Are you ready to act on this insider information? Now, before we wrap up, I want to mention 3 things that can help you capitalize on these leaks. First, my AI Profit Boardroom is where 1,000 members are already building businesses with cutting-edge AI. We discuss leaked developments and how to profit from them before they go mainstream. Second, I'm offering free SEO strategy sessions to help you understand how AI breakthroughs like GPT-5 will change search and marketing. Book yours through the link in the comments. Third, inside my AI Success Lab, we have over 14,000 members preparing for the next wave of AI. We have SOPs, processes, and over 100 use cases for building AI businesses, plus all the templates and step-by-step guides. Check the link in the comments. These leaks show us the future of AI is happening right now. GPT-5 isn't coming someday. It's being tested today. The question is, will you act on this leaked intelligence or wait for the official announcement when everyone else finds out? The early adopters who use leaked information responsibly always win big. This is your chance to get ahead of the biggest AI breakthrough since ChatGPT launched. Don't sleep on this. The leaked evidence is clear. GPT-5 is real, it's powerful, and it's coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into how to profit from leaked AI developments.